to my beautiful and lovely baby Tindy. Ngayon kami na nalaman. First of all, I want to thank God for this very wonderful moment of our lives. I believe that this is God's appointed time for us to start the so-called forever. Naalala ko pa nung una tayo nagkakilala in our workplace then, that was a long time ago. When I first saw you, wala naman akong naramdaman agad eh. I noticed that medyo masungit ka lang. Pero hindi naman wagas. Since then, I was able to witness how the way you behave and the way you treat others. But the most interesting one was when I learned about how you love and care for your family and for your fear about God. Isa kasi sa mga bili ng nanay namin sa akin noon, nung nabubuhay pa siya, when it comes to looking for a lifetime partner, humanap kami ng taong may pagmamahal, pagmamalasakit sa kanilang mga magulang at higit sa lahat, may takot kay God. Okay lang daw, walang takot sa akin, basta kay God meron. That was the turning point for me to start praying to God if you are indeed the one suitable for me. Today is answer to my prayer. Thank you so much for your love and great patience to wait for this very wonderful moment. I can proudly say now, goodbye to my American dream and hello to my sweetest dream. I promise to love and care for you as long as I live. May our loving God bless all our promises to each other. I love you, my baby.
There are times talaga na napagod na ako pa. God, nag-pray ako kay God na He always He sends peace in my heart and reminds me that His plan for me and for us na siguro nga tayo at eto na tayo ngayon. And thank you for not trying to change me. Kasi alam ko naman, medyo stubborn ako. And I promise to always be there for you. Good and bad. Support you, encourage you, and help you achieve your dreams. Alam ko madami pa. Sobrang dami pa. Dami mga share sa akin. I vow to be with you